Good day, everyone. Today, I am honored to share an important initiative presented by Life Bridge Foundation, our freelancing and online earning training program. Dear friends and supporters, we are living in a rapidly changing digital world where opportunities are no longer limited by location. Today, a person can earn from home, connect with global clients, and build a successful career online. However, many young people in our communities still lack the skills and guidance to benefit from these opportunities. This is why Life Bridge Foundation is launching this training program to empower youth, students, and individuals with practical digital skills. Through this training, participants will learn how to work on online marketplaces, offer digital services, communicate professionally with clients, and build a sustainable source of income. Our vision is not just to teach skills, but to transform lives. This program is especially designed for underprivileged individuals, helping them become financially independent and confident in their future. But we cannot do this alone. We humbly ask for your prayers and financial support. Your contribution will help us provide training materials, equipment, and opportunities for those who need it the most. Together, we can uplift